Are you looking for the best leg extension machines? In this video we will look at some of the best leg extension machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anything Sports Adjustable Leg Extension Machine. The weight capacity is solid on this leg extension. It can hold up to 500 pounds of combined weight. That means if you weigh 250 pounds, you can use up to 250 pounds of resistance for your leg extensions without exceeding the weight limit. You can also adjust the tibia pad to be comfortable for those with different tibial lengths. The dimensions of this product make it great for home gyms since it won't take up as much space as other leg extension machines. It measures 46.5 inches long and 31 inches wide, and weighs around 42 kilos, 92 pounds. Meaning you can move it around too. Plus, Anything Sports includes a 12-month warranty with your purchase. Buyers who want a dedicated leg extension machine but don't have a lot of room or spare cash. This one is compact and affordably priced. Anyone who prefers shopping on Amazon for free shipping will appreciate that this product qualifies for Prime. Larger athletes. The 500-pound weight capacity allows nearly anyone to use this machine comfortably. This leg extension machine is affordable, space-saving and sturdy, and it ships quickly from Amazon. You won't find a better quality or more versatile machine unless you're willing to spend triple the price, or more. If you're looking for a standalone leg extension and curl machine, this one is a great choice. Number 2. XMark 7615 Extension Machine. The XMark 7615 blends comfort and functionality with its 12-position adjustable thigh pad, 20-position press arm, and adjustable backrest pad. This adjustability allows multiple users with various leg lengths to get a quality workout done in comfort. This solid machine is constructed from 11-gauge heavy-duty steel that's finished with a scratch-resistant powder coat for long-lasting aesthetics. With this quality leg extension machine, you'll be able to torch those quads and hamstrings. Besides the well-built construction, you'll also get ultra-thick Duracraft cushions that are 3 inches thick, offering a firm but comfortable experience. These pads are covered by Duragard vinyl to avoid potential rips or tearing. The 4.33 inches thick leg rollers are also covered by vinyl that won't batter your legs as you perform heavy leg extensions. Overall, this is a fantastic leg extension and curl machine on the market that allows for a full range of motion when doing seated leg extensions and leg curls. Number 3. Marcii SB350 Adjustable Bench. The Marcii SB350 Adjustable Bench is perfect for those on a budget but still want a piece of gym equipment that provides plenty of functionality. Unlike most leg extension machines on this list, this product is a multifunctional bench that offers the capability to do exercises like leg extensions, leg curls, bench presses, and more. With this weight bench, you can perform upper and lower body workouts. The Marcii bench comes with a 6-position adjustable back pad that locks into place with a sort of adjustment design, giving you ample opportunity to turn the bench into incline, flat, or decline positions. The pads are made of high-density foam, which provides comfort and stability when exercising. The frame is built from heavy-duty steel with a maximum weight capacity of 600 pounds, which should be enough for most people. In addition, it's covered by powder coat paint to help mitigate any potential scratching. The foam rollers have a vinyl covering, which provides comfort when hitting the quadriceps when doing leg extensions. Or you can even flip around and target the hamstrings with lying leg curls. Number 4. BodySolid Series S2 Leg. This BodySolid leg extension leg curl machine is definitely one of the most expensive options on the market today, but for a good reason. You get a combo leg machine with this option, allowing you to hit the front and back of the legs with leg extensions and leg curls. It's super easy to transition from one exercise to another with its sleek design. What's more with this machine is that it comes with weight stacks that negate the need to buy Olympic plates. You have 2 options to choose from here: a 160 pounds or 235 pounds weight stack. The Girafirm pads provide a super comfy experience that reduces fatigue and discomfort. This machine allows users of all sizes with a fully adjustable backrest with 7 different positions. In addition, the starting position can be chosen from 13 different points, giving you complete control over the range of motion used during your workout. Lastly, the back pad is set at 93 degrees to reduce hamstring tension. Number 5. Valor Fitness CC4. The Valor Fitness CC4 is a compact machine that supports leg extensions and leg curls to work both the front and back of the thighs. This machine offers tremendous adjustability in such a small frame for the price. Besides the 8-position thigh support and 6-position backrest, you can also control the range of motion with its sundial adjustment design. Constructed of heavy-duty steel, it can hold up to 150 pounds of weight plates. You can switch from leg extensions to leg curls within seconds by adjusting the steel peg on the side of the frame. They also included 2 rubber-gripped handles to add stability and support when squeezing out those reps. This is a great leg extension curl machine for people with tight spaces, as the footprint is one of the smallest we've seen.